So for the second tool that I've been exploring has been Wix. The first tool I used was Storyline, and I enjoyed Storyline. I just felt like um, it was not what I needed for my project. It was more like PowerPoint, and for my particular design, I wanted a more website feel. So Wix has been great. I'm just going to kind of walk you through what I've explored and what I've found to be useful so far. So this is the home page. I called it Easy Bake Kits. I thought of like Easy Bake Oven, um, but so it's kind of a play on words in the title. Might still be a work in progress. I'm not really sure. Um, so this is the home page. Something I'm still kind of struggling with is figuring out how to change this font so that it pops more against this background. Um, but yeah, so the first page explains more about what my thing is and how it works. And then I believe if you click learn more, maybe it can take you to a different link. That's something else that I've been exploring with this tool. There's also the about page, so this goes into detail about how I quote unquote got started and what it's all about and blah blah blah. And this button, I know for sure if you hit it, the get in touch, it pulls up my emails. So if somebody were to actually be on this site, they could instantly hit that, and it would they could send me an email via that button. I also have a contact us page, very simple, but just lists my email and my number, um, or it could be the company's number technically. Um, so that was fun to mess around with. I also love this little button up here where it's like your shopping cart, and it says your cart is empty right now, but if somebody actually did want to go and purchase one of my kits, they could fill up their cart and check out, just like if you were shopping at Old Navy or Target online or anything else like that. So the last tab that I have as of right now is baking categories. And just to explain more, that's like the first step in my Easy Bake Kits. So you come to this website, you think of a category that you would want to potentially bake, such as cookies, cakes, pies, what have you, and you click that category, which will be one of the things listed down here. It explains it right here. So it says to start your Easy Bake Kit, first select your baking category. And then if you can't find a category from the ones listed, then there will be a customize tab where you can either upload your own recipe or choose maybe one of my favorites or something like that. So still definitely a work in progress, but I'm happy that I have been able to work with Wix and I've loved it so far. So thanks.